Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to Fan Feature Friday. Y'all made it through another week. That's awesome. Hope you guys have a great weekend planned. This Fan Feature Friday comes all the way again from Canada, Winnipeg. We got Mark and his 2019 super white Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro. So basically, he's only had this thing for a month, but he's a great viewer, so he's been grabbing all the stuff that he knows that he wants to install. So being a month old, this thing already has quite a bit of goodies in it, so let's get right into it. Some of the mods he's done so far is LED low beam lights with the T1 aux beams, LED interior swap, Raptor lights, Husky floor mats, Husky cargo liners in the back, Smittybilt gloss red D-ring shackles up front, Auxbeam 32-inch LED light bar with the Rago hidden bumper brackets, remote start and drone mobile. Remote start is one of the things I do want to do in the 4Runner. He's able to start it with his phone, which is pretty cool. So Mark, let us know if when you unlock the car though, if it shuts off with that or if it just stays on. And he also has the AUKEY dash camera with GPS. Some mods to come is LED high beams from Xenon Depot because the Auxbeam T1s that he had in it, they don't dim. I know the F16 series from Auxbeam does dim down, but Xenon Depot does as well, and I've heard they're great lights. And also a speaker upgrade inside, which is interesting because that thing does come with JBL, so I'm curious if maybe the JBL is just not up to his standards. And he says, I don't have any others for now. So Mark, thank you again for sending in your 4Runner. For being only a month old, well, by the time you sent this, about 2 months old now, that thing has seen off-road, it's seen a lot of snow, and you've already put a good amount of modifications into that vehicle, so that's freaking awesome. Guys, thank you very, very much for stopping in again on Fan Feature Friday. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll catch you all in the next one. All right, see you later. If you guys want to be featured in Fan Feature Friday, go ahead and shoot me an email at bluetrdjon@gmail.com. Give me your name, your vehicle. It doesn't have to be a 4Runner. It could be a Tundra, Tacoma, old Celica, Supra. It doesn't matter, just as long as it's a Toyota. And go ahead and give me your location in the United States, or if you guys are out of the United States, let me know what country you guys are watching from. If you guys have a social media, go ahead and put that as well so all of us can start following you. Let us know what modifications you've done to the vehicle and any future modifications that you have to come for your vehicle that you're excited about. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, and I'll see you guys next Friday.